In this video, I'll show you how to deploy OpenClaw on Vultr and run your own AI assistant in just a few minutes. If you're interested in AI automation tools or self-hosted AI assistants, OpenClaw is a project worth checking out. OpenClaw is an AI-powered automation assistant that can help manage tasks, process information, and interact with different services. Instead of relying entirely on cloud AI services, you can deploy OpenClaw on your own server and run it independently. One of the easiest ways to deploy it right now is using the Vultr cloud platform. Vultr recently added OpenClaw to their marketplace, which means you can install it with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step. First, go to the Vultr website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you log into the dashboard, click the Deploy Server button to create a new instance. Next, choose your server type. For most users, a basic cloud compute instance works perfectly fine for testing OpenClaw. You can start with something like 2 vCPU and 8 GB of RAM, which is usually enough for running AI automation tools. After selecting the server type, choose your preferred server location. Vultr has data centers in many regions around the world, including the United States, Europe, and Asia. Selecting a nearby location can help improve network performance. Now scroll down to the Marketplace Apps section. This is where Vultr provides pre-configured applications that can be installed automatically. Look for the OpenClaw application in the Marketplace list. Once you select OpenClaw, the system will automatically prepare the server with the required environment. Next, confirm your server configuration and click Deploy. Vultr will start creating your instance and installing OpenClaw automatically. The deployment usually takes just a few minutes. After the server is ready, you can access your OpenClaw setup through the server's IP address. From there, you can configure your AI assistant and start experimenting with automation features. OpenClaw can be used for many tasks, such as managing schedules, processing emails, automating workflows, or experimenting with AI agent systems. For developers and AI enthusiasts, running your own AI assistant on a VPS gives you much more flexibility. Instead of relying only on third-party tools, you can customize and control the entire environment. If you want to try deploying OpenClaw yourself, check out the link in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more AI tools, VPS tutorials, and tech guides.